telling secrets in the dark while drinking whiskey neat. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. I wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time. You said the last kiss was the last kiss, make it hard for you to leave. We're telling secrets in between the sheets. I don't want you to leave. I would fall in a second if you let me, 'cause you're all that I want. Could you let me in? The last drink was the last drink, but I don't wanna leave. I wanna get closer, don't want this night to be over. I wanna get closer, it's not over, yeah. We could go back to my place, 'cause I don't wanna waste no precious time. So let's go back to my place. If it's only for tonight, let's make it count. I love it, how your touch feels. I love it, how you look at me in my place. No, I don't wanna waste no precious time.
Hey friends, it's Lori and welcome back to my channel. You guys, I forgot to film an intro and an outro to this video. So here's your intro. Today I'm going to redo my back patio. Kevin got me an egg chair, and then we just got flowers and everything planted, and we just wanted to get the back porch put together because we had not done that yet. And let me tell you, it is hot today, very hot. But anyway, you guys, if you're interested in seeing how my patio turns out, keep watching.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories, yeah. We hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that time would take us to a place where love could grow, but in a different way. Bigger than they'd say, now looking at you, you keep me going back to those days, capable of keeping track of how many nights could pass. Cheap hotels and driving fast, and the radio playing our soundtrack. Broken love
Okay. Let me show you what I've done. I have this pot of flowers here. These are coming up from last year. Look at that. Oh, how pretty. Okay. This is what we have done. We have these from last year. Look at these. Oh, so pretty. White and pink. We have the bubble gum. Oh, look at those. How pretty. We have the egg chair, which the kids have been in all day. They've already got a stain on it. Like I could just beat them. Look at this. I won't, but you know. Look, bubble gum. Petunias. Love. Have this chair here. The kids have a phone in it because they are playing. Lavender. My tray from Walmart. I'm going to give you a...
Look in the house.
Hello.
Hello. Hello.
The bee's knees petunias. I moved them back here. These will all light up here in a little bit. Then we have the grill. Picnic table with the umbrella. These are over here because we're going to mow. So we had to get them up out of the yard. And then these two pots that I did, which they have filled in really nicely. But we need some flowers. And look at these. How flippin' gorgeous. Oh my gosh, look at that. Love. Banana tree. Trash. But this is it, guys. This is what I came up with. And see, once we mow, those will go back out in the yard.
Look at Nemo. Oh, she was cheating. Look at her. Now the creepy old lady is over here recording us. The creepy old lady. The creepy old red lady is recording us. Hi. Hi. The creepy old lady is recording us. Hi. Do you want a hug?
Okay, you guys, that is it. That's everything that I have for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, hit that red subscribe button below. You're the first ones to know every time I post a new video. But you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like how my patio turned out. I really like it. I think mostly because I finally got myself an egg chair. I've wanted one for so long, and I just didn't want to spend the money on it. So when Walmart marked them down, I grabbed one. Grabbed one just like that. But yeah, that is it. I love you guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy. Stay cool. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye, friends.
'Cause you gave me you keep me going back to those days, incapable of keeping track of how